Good evening, swimmers, and welcome to tonight's Market Wrap-Up show for Thursday, May 29th, 2008. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist, here from the worldwide headquarters of Think or Swim. All right, the market today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average up 52 points. We had 22 advancers, 7 decliners, nice broad-based rally, and our one unchanged on the day was our friends over at UTX, United Technologies. Our biggest mover on the day, however, was to the downside. Alcoa can wait, apparently. Alcoa was down 3% on the day. Other than that, we just had a lot of solid stocks up. The biggest gainer on the day would be Johnson & Johnson up just under 2.4% on the day. As we said, a solid day overall. The S&P futures up over 7 points today. We see them trading just about the 1398 level. After the close tonight, very interesting development. Dell Computers up big, nice earnings. We've seen this from the techs time after time. They seem to be the ones coming through in this environment. Again, they're the only ones that always cut costs, it seems, so very interesting to see that. Our sizzler on the day, CNA Financial Corporation. CNA was up $1.63 today in the biggest trade in there. Their calls were sizzling, as they say. The January of 09 35 calls, we had almost 1,700 of them trade. We had 221 times the normal amount of trading in there. We were up for the third day in a row to keep the theme of 3. An old song here, When Will I See You Again, sung by The 3 Degrees. Many of you probably didn't know it. It's our trivia question for tonight. So, anyway, getting back to more serious things and getting back to what's happening in the market. As we said, this was quite a day for the Dow. Again, 3 days in a row, the Dows look great. But what was the biggest story? Why was the Dow really up today? Big story on the day, oil. Very, very strong dollar today. The strength of the dollar is really one of the big, and along with the fact that GDP came out better than expected, and oil inventories, even though they were lower, with the dollar being so powerful, interesting to see how that all worked. All right, for the rest of the week, we have Friday tomorrow. Personal income starts us out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consumer sentiment at 9 a.m. Those two numbers should drive the market tomorrow. So keep those in mind as you trade. As always, good health, good trading. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Think or Swim. Have a great night, everyone.